At ReAgent's, we operate out of a 60,000 square foot factory, and until recently, a long-term tenant occupied part of the building. When they moved out, it gave us the opportunity to expand into their space and make use of the entire site. Over the past few months, we've been transforming this additional space to support the next stage of our growth. The project began by replacing some very old and outdated electricity distribution boards that were attached to an internal wall that we wanted to remove. We upgraded the distribution boards to safer, more modern ones that give us the power and flexibility to expand. We then removed all the internal walls so the entire building could operate as one continuous space. Contractors used a hydraulic excavator to take down the first dividing wall. The second wall required a more controlled approach because it connected to our existing facility. We had to minimise debris and disruption, so we installed a full dust screen, used water suppression, and carried out much of the work outside normal operating hours. Once complete, we had a single open footprint for the first time. We then refurbished the floors, remaining walls and steelwork. Floors were diamond ground, repaired and coated with a twin-component epoxy system with an anti-slip finish. Walls were repaired and repainted in white acrylic, and all structural steels were refinished with undercoat and blue gloss that reflects our brand identity. These upgrades have significantly brightened and modernised the space. Once the work was complete, we could take advantage of the new layout. Our pallet racking was dismantled and re-erected in its new location, increasing space for future raw material and packaging storage. Our engineering area was relocated to a more suitable position, and Goods In has moved into this new space. The expansion also prepares the site for major new plant and machinery. We now have the room to install more pallet racking, storage tanks, handling and mixing equipment, and tanker filling infrastructure. And this is only phase 1. This expansion is just part of a complete factory layout upgrade that will improve efficiency, safety, and scalability across the entire site. It marks the first step in a larger plan to strengthen our capacity and support the future of the business. If you'd like to learn more about how we can support your requirements, please get in touch.